This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2002 model Mazda 323 Protege sedan, stock reference number 5740. This shape runs from the 9th month 1998 through to the 12th month 2003. It has an FP 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. FP 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a right-hand headlight. Right guard has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front door 3 small dents. Right rear door 3 small dents. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the right-hand tail light. Boot lid has 3 small dents. Spoiler type. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 4 small dents. Right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated control, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel.